Hello viewers, this is IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to use strikethrough in Microsoft Word document and which process we undo strikethrough. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first you open a Microsoft Word document and we want to use strikethrough in first line. At first we select first line and go to Home tab and find strikethrough and click this options and where use strikethrough. Strikethrough is used for when we need your before topic. In this way we use strikethrough in Microsoft Word document, and also we want to remove strikethrough in the same process. At first you select the whole line and go to Home tab and click strikethrough options, and we see in this way we undo strikethrough. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel and keep watching next tutorial. Thank you.